Alright, you all know what we're here for. We're here for the Tropicfeel Hive backpack review. Literal unboxing, so here we go. First up, we have their wardrobe system. Looked pretty cool online and how they explained it. I thought I'd try it out. It comes in a little accordion assembly. There's actually 3 sections. The other one's still stuck at the bottom, but put that to the side. Next up is their 12-liter smart packing cube. I personally have never used packing cubes before, so I thought, well, it's the smart thing to do, right? I don't know. I just usually use those clear plastic vacuum seal things, which I definitely recommend. It's just the plastic part's not good. So you open it up. It's got a little hook up here if you want to hang it up. It's got a top section for socks, underwear, what I did. Then there's this little bottom section. Unzip it. You've got 5 to 6 little bungees. If you roll your clothes and you just stick them in there, they stay in place. Down here, there's a zipper for an extra section. And yeah, I packed this later and I got 5 days worth of clothes in there. So, all right, here is what I was looking forward to the most, the backpack. By the way, all of their packaging everything comes in a non-plastic packaging because they want to stay as sustainable as possible. That's kind of a big deal. That's kind of their thing. So yeah, I kind of appreciated that. I like that. So here's the backpack. Very simple, black backpack. They have another one that has like bright yellow straps. Ew, I wanted to keep it simple. So there we are. So first up, we have, let's see, undoing the spider net mesh front pocket. And here you keep the 12-liter packing cube right there. It kind of fits right there. I got a little confused here. It looks like it doesn't come undone, and I thought I had a faulty backpack. So it looks like it doesn't open, but if you just try a little bit harder, the Velcro comes right off. And there's a little zipper back there too. So again, more organization. So you put the 12-liter packing cube right here. It fits in perfectly. It's really nice. I just would say don't overpack your 12-liter cube because then it won't fit. Why? Well, this spider net mesh, stretchy? Not very elasticy, not very stretchy at all. That was a big con for me. I was expecting it to be better. I don't know. I just have too high of expectations. But anyway, moving on to the top, there's a cute little pocket up here. It is lined, so you could put sunglasses there. It's a very small pocket. It's nice, but it's small. There's also another little zip here. I don't know, put a pen, chapstick. I don't know, I'll find something functional to put up there later. All right, moving on to the sides of the backpack. There's a water bottle holder for those of you who do not drink enough water in the day, because it is way too small. Yeah, I didn't like that. So let's open up the front. Clamshell opening. I prefer the opening towards the back of the backpack. So, I don't know, that's a little different. Anyway, open it up. You got 2 zippers on the back panel. Again, more organization. Open it up there. Fits about the size of my hand on both sides. Zip it back up. And then here we have the laptop sleeve. It fits about a 16-inch laptop. I have 14, so we're good. Yeah, it's lined. Underneath are 2 extra zippers. So here's where I was like, oh, well, I'll put the wardrobe into the wardrobe system, make sure it fits. It doesn't, which was a little puzzling to me. Why did I get this wardrobe system? Anyway, turn around. There is a little bungee strap, more bungier than the front, that keep the back straps together when not in use. We have foamy-ish, more stiff than foamy, little straps. There's also those top load lifters. That's actually a plus at the top of the backpack. Next, we'll show you the secret hidden pocket. You can place your passport in there, your wallet. I will say it does not go all the way through to the other side. It only stops about halfway through. So don't put too many things in there. In the front here, you will see these fidlock nipples for adding extra toiletry or tech bag accessories. So we're gonna unzip the expandable part of the backpack. So this does make the backpack expand a little bit more, not too much, enough. Again, this is a good carry-on size backpack. We're gonna open it up, and you know, I was thinking maybe, dare I say, there's room for the wardrobe system. Well, now if it's a little bit better expanded, but then I've had my laptop there. I don't see how this would work. I'm a little disappointed about this wardrobe system. It's a cool idea. I think I'm gonna stick to the packing cube and my vacuum seal packs. Anyway, so moving on. Let's see, right here in the expandable, it says Beyond Travel. Just, I like that. That was kind of cute. A little motto on the side. Very sturdy. Again, we've got the adjustable chest strap right here. Let's unbuckle that. Sometimes I use those, sometimes I don't. Right here they have their little logo, and then right there it says Tropicfeel. Pretty subtle. You got 6 foam pads on the back. Again, not really foamy. It's not clouds, but it's better than not at all. Each side we've got some buckle clips to hold poles, tripods. Probably put my tripod there. Still upset about the lack of the stretchiness here. Alright, so another cool feature on this backpack is it has a kangaroo pouch that adds 6 liters to your backpack. So more space. You can put shoes in there, or dirty shoes in there, flip-flops if you went to the beach. Just kind of hook it in. There's little bungee, stretchy loops there if you want to put, again, maybe walking poles. I don't do walking poles, so I don't know if that actually work. You can put your sleeping bag there, a jacket. I will say one thing, it does not zip all the way around, so don't put anything valuable in there because it might fall out. And just unhook it. And it's really nice. And then you just roll it up and store it back in there. The nice thing about this too is that it doesn't take up space inside the backpack. I always hate it when you find a item like that and then it takes up space inside. But this one, it's very subtle and it's really nice like that. I don't know how they did that. I think it's magic. So anyway, in general, front of the backpack or the whole backpack, it's not waterproof, but it is water resistant. All right, now on the back here. So this was advertised as this right here, this little tube popping out as hip support. Let me tell you, it is not. Do not buy this backpack if you are looking for hip support. This is not it. However, it is a secret hidden fanny pack that it turns into. So maybe once you're at your destination and you don't want to take the whole backpack, you can take this fanny pack. It's got 2 separate zippers, which is nice. Might hold a phone, a small wallet. Also is water resistant materials, as the entire backpack is. And then it's just, see, it's got these clips are tiny. So those of you who know how to backpack with hip supports know those clips are way too small. I'm a pretty small person in general. I'm only 5 feet, and yeah, it didn't even land on my hips. It landed more like around my waist, around my belly button. So again, if you're looking for a backpack with hip supports, go get Gregory. Go get an actual backpacking backpack. This is not the backpack for you if you absolutely need hip support. And then to get it back in there, you have to, it's hard to get it out and it's hard to get it back in, but once you got it, goes right there. Or maybe you just take the fanny pack out altogether. Anyway, overall, this is a great style, great quality. I love the organization of this backpack. Cons, you know what they are. That spider net could be stretchier, and it could have a stretchier or bigger water bottle side holder, because I like drinking a lot of water. Anyways, thank you for watching, and hope you found this review valuable.